So let's say this is the video you edited, and you simply now you go to click on here. But here, if you want to change timeline frame rate, you can't, you are not allowed. Simply this option doesn't work, and I'll show you a solution to fix this problem in straight to the point and really easy without wasting any seconds. So what you have to do is to click on File and now click on New Timeline, and here you uncheck Use Project Settings, and from here you can change your timeline frame rate. Wait, I'm going to show you then what you have to do. I'll change frame rate to 60, create. Now click on here, go to the first one, copy everything, Control C, and then go to the second one, Control V, and now you paste everything here, exactly the same edits. And now if you go here on settings, you can see you have, where is it, here, when you export this video, its frame rate is set to 60 here, as you can see. Compare with the first one, and here it's set to 20, and you don't have other options. You don't have other options. So yeah, guys, as you can see, this worked perfectly fine. Here you have 60, and timeline 1, here you have only 30. So I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and take care. Make sure to subscribe if this video helped you. I'll really appreciate it and will really help this YouTube channel. So take care.